All right, today I have Mr. Clean Magic Eraser. I actually have quite a variety of Mr. Clean Magic Erasers. These are 3 different types of them to be used on different surfaces per se. 2 of them can be used on similar surfaces, but I'm going to go over them with you and talk a little bit about them with you and why I like each and every single one of these. So we're going to start with the first one. We have the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser with 4 times stronger with Durafoam. And to the right, I have Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheets. These are the thin eraser sheets that cleans everywhere. And last and not least, we have Mr. Clean Magic Eraser removes soap scum. Now this is relatively new compared to the Magic Eraser 4 times stronger with Durafoam. This is actually used to remove soap scum, which everyone gets soap scum in the bathtub if you're taking a bath or taking a shower. Eventually soap scum accumulates and needs to be removed. Now we're going to talk about all of these. I'm going to go ahead and start off with the classic Mr. Clean Eraser. Right here is the classic Mr. Clean Eraser with 4 times stronger with Durafoam. Says that it's extra durable, and you can see some of the appliances and objects that it shows on here that you can use to clean. This one would be an oven stove top right here. To the right, there is a refrigerator and freezer, and to the right of that is a sink. And to the right of that is a bathtub. All right, and you can see right here it says household cleaning pad, cleaning performance versus the leading all-purpose bleach spray. So they're comparing. I'm not exactly sure what they're comparing, but 7 pads come in here. And they simply talk about how to use this. You're going to wet this. You'll squeeze this, and then you erase. Okay, so you use this to erase. And then you're probably like wondering, what can you erase? It says, but before you erase something, it says there's a warning on here: test on small area with light pressure before using. Not recommended for the following surfaces like high gloss, polished, dark, brushed, satin. Surfaces like high gloss, polished, dark, brush stained, false, bare/polished, wood, copper, stainless steel appliances, non-stick coating, or vehicle body. So it's important that you read this and notice that it's not recommended for various amount of surfaces, which is highly important that you know. It says when you're done or when you're using it, rinse required for surfaces in direct contact with food. So if you use this on surfaces that have direct contact with food, you should rinse it. It says do not use with chlorine, bleach, or other household chemicals. Of course, it has no phosphate. And there is, to avoid accidents, read that. I'm not going to go over that. It's important that you read the manufacturer's instructions before you use it. And it talks about burnt on kitchen messes. It helps remove the burnt on kitchen messes. Wall marks, okay? Wall marks, not Walmart, but wall marks. This is one of the main reasons why people buy these, to get rid of wall marks. Wall marks. I have used this to get rid of many wall marks, and with success. And actually, I know we have one made for soap scum, but this actually right here, the regular Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, excuse me, is good for cleaning bathroom soap scum. Now I'm going to go ahead and open this up so we can get a good glimpse of what we're working with right here. I'm going to go ahead and open this. There's several in the pack. Going to go ahead and pull this out. So this is your classic pad right here with the 4 times stronger with Durafoam. Okay, this is what you do. And remember, you wet this and then you use this to clean off areas. Important that you read the instructions. Where did the instructions go? How to use this: you wet this, you squeeze this, and then you erase. So you use this Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 4 times stronger with Durafoam right here. So this is a classic. I'm going to set this to the side. And I'm going to go ahead and move on to the next one, which is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser Sheets. It says the thin eraser that cleans everywhere. This comes with a multitude of erasers in here. And of course, it's showing some of the same, go ahead and show you this right here, some of the same appliances and objects that the larger 4 times stronger with Durafoam uses. It says the thin eraser that cleans everywhere. Okay, so ready, set, and clean. The instructions are similar, except for this right here. It says it's thin and flexible, which is useful for getting cracks and crevices. And you can see right here, it shows right here how it cleans, the thin eraser that cleans everywhere. It cleans drains, stoves, faucets, high chairs, fridges or refrigerators, microwaves. All right, so it says the same instructions, just add water, wet and squeeze, erase, and then when you're done, go ahead and toss it. Of course, it has the same warnings. Test a small area with light pressure before using. Not recommended for the following surfaces such as high gloss, polish, dark polish, brushed satin, false, bare, polished wood, copper, stainless steel appliances, non-stick coating, or vehicle body. Rinse required for indirect contact with food. Do not use with chlorine, bleach, or other household cleaners. Okay, very important that you read that. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and open this. And we're going to take a look at what this looks like right here. So it comes with an easy to open pouch. So these erasers are quite thin. All right, so I'm going to take a look at them. 16 come in this particular package. So these are the Magic Eraser thin sheets right here. Now I'm going to show you a comparison to the Mr. Clean 4 times stronger with Durafoam. And look at the size of this. Okay, these are thin sheets right here, and these are the Durafoam right here, which is supposed to hold up for an extended period of time and supposed to clean the same, I think, but one is more durable. So say for instance you have more marks on the wall, I'd probably go with this. But the thin may allow you to get in cracks and crevices that you normally wouldn't get in with the 4 times stronger with Durafoam Mr. Clean. Okay, so we have the two. We have the Magic Eraser with 4 times stronger Durafoam, and we also have the Magic Eraser thin sheets right here. So I'm going to go ahead and set both of these aside, and I'm going to go ahead and pull forward the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, which removes soap scum. Now this right here, it says used for bath, and the sink right there for a breeze freshness. Lavender scent right here smells quite fresh like lavender. Now it removes soap scum. It's a household cleaning pad. And some of the items that it's showing on here that it cleans, it says bubbles dissolve soap scum solved. Okay, so bubbles dissolve soap scum solved. I think they could be a wrapper of some sort. I'm not sure. It says it cleans shower doors, sinks, and bathtubs on one side. There's warnings on here similar to the same warnings that I had read for the 4 times stronger with Durafoam and the thin sheets. So make it a priority of yours to read the manufacturer's instructions before you use this product. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and pull one of them out. And all of a sudden I can smell the fresh fields of lavender. It smells like a lavender field right here. Now looking at this, there's a little bit of hint of purple right there. I'm not sure if that's the lavender right there. And looking at this, it is the same size as the 4 times stronger with Durafoam. However, the pattern on it is quite different. Where this is triangle, this is diamond shape on the left-hand side. So the instructions on how to use this are the same as both of the others. It says wet, squeeze 4 times to activate suds. Okay, so squeeze 3 to 4 times to activate suds, which is different from the Magic Eraser 4 times stronger with Durafoam and different from the Magic Eraser sheets, thin sheets. because this actually has a solution in here which dissolves soap scum. So it's important that you wet this, squeeze 3 or 4 times to activate studs, and then erase the soap scum. So this is pretty handy to have. I'm going to use this to clean up some soap scum that I have. I'm going to go ahead and set this out, and we're just going to look at all 3 of them, go over all 3 of them really quickly, almost as if it's a review. All right, we're going to start at the left-hand side. Again, we have the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser, 4 times stronger with Durafoam. This is the strongest product they have right here that will hold up for removing multitude of marks on walls and other appliances throughout your home. So this is the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser 4 times stronger. The next we have the Mr. Clean Sheets, the thin eraser that cleans everywhere. Look how thin the sheet is in comparison to the 4 times stronger with Durafoam. It's almost like night and day, okay? The size. The thin is flat and wider. The 4 times stronger with Durafoam is thicker, but it feels like it has more product in it to keep it from breaking apart, okay? And last but not least, we have the Mr. Clean Magic Eraser that removes soap scum. This right here, similar to the other products, except for you wet it, squeeze it to activate the suds, and then you apply it to remove the soap scum, which can line the bathtub or sink or shower curtain or wherever inside your bathroom. It's supposed to remove the soap scum. So all of these are good products made by Mr. Clean. You can see he's happy right here that he made this product, and I seem to like them. Smells like lavender right here. Gets the marks off the wall, solves my problem that I have with these 3 nice products that Mr. Clean has to offer. Now, I hope this video was helpful with giving you an idea of what these products can do. Thanks a lot for watching.